Hey guys, it's Markus from Featurebase, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can prioritize feedback to find and focus on the most important ideas first, identify larger trends from the noise, and ultimately make better product decisions. So before I jump into the prioritization, you have to triage or moderate your posts. So you can use keybinds to move different posts and use numbers in your keyboard to use the following actions. So in this case, I see that this post already exists, so I can press 2 to merge it with this post. And I can do the same with the following post to approve them publicly, delete them, or keep them private between me and the user. Now going back to the feedback dashboard, the most impactful action that you can do for your feedback prioritization is connect your customer data to Featurebase. So when I go to the users directory, I can see all of the users as well as their emails, companies, and any other data I sync here, as well as the monthly spend. So what I can do now is go back to my feedback dashboard, and instead of sorting posts by top upvoted ones, I can sort posts by the top revenue contribution. And what this does is show me the post prioritized by the revenue contribution. And when I open this post, I can see all of the upvoters and the revenue, and it's being summed up to a single metric that is used to prioritize the posts here. I can also prioritize posts on the customer segments. So let's say I created a segment called paying customers. Now I only see feedback from the paying customers, and I can combine it with any other filters. For example, I want to see feature requests only from paying customers. I can do so. And then I can save these filters as views and reuse them anytime I want. For example, I can view active bug reports only from active statuses. And from here on, I can take different actions with those posts. I can assign them to a teammate, add an ETA, add any tags, and change the board as well as change the status. So when I change the status from in review to completed, I can notify customers about it automatically and add a custom message. And this notifies customers via email as well as adds a comment to the post. If you use any issue tracking tools like Linear, Jira, ClickUp, GitHub, or Azure DevOps, you can automatically sync these statuses between the issues there and Featurebase. So for example, when your engineers complete a post in Jira, it automatically updates the status here in Featurebase and notifies all of the upvoters about it. So this is a very effective way to keep everybody up to date about their requests. You can also use prioritization frameworks, for example, value and effort. So if I was to assign values to here, I can see the prioritization tab and see posts on here. So this is a nice little additional way. You also have AI tools like Ask AI, which enable you to ask questions about your feedback. So what integrations do customers want? It sums up huge amounts of feedback and gives you like a good bird's eye view of it and backs it up with revenue, upvotes, and more. Coming back to the users module, you can actually see each user's feedback along with their comments, upvotes, and survey answers and support conversations in one place. And you can also have the same thing for companies. So if you want to manage B2B feedback, you can see all of the company's members as well as their feedback, comments, upvotes, and more in one place. So this is a really quick overview of how you can manage feedback in Featurebase to help you make the right product decisions.